Mission: regain the United Nations HQ. Big Apple liberation. Confirm. All systems green, ready to take off. 0. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. No hostiles left. Repairing damages. Area under control. Hostiles confirmed. Shoot the letter. Damaged. Seriously damaged. Warning. Gunner 1. Gunner 2. Danger. Hostile reinforcement approaching. Target confirmed. Command unit confirmed.
Go. Assault terrorist reinforcement. Destroy the AA site under construction. You have now reached UN headquarters. Neutralize all hostiles. Destroy terrorist headquarters. Impede the terrorist regrouping. Seize terrorist beachhead. The remaining terrorists are regrouping for counterattack. Strike the remaining terrorists. So give them all you got and free Manhattan. Good luck. Over and out. Perfect. Awesome performance. Good job. Heads up, boys. Get your ass up. The operation has successfully concluded. All units return to base. Come on back. A big party's waiting for you. Gunblade! Please respond. The terrorist leader has escaped. Don't lose him. Battery Park is requesting reinforcements. Move! About time we put an end to this, isn't it? On the contrary, it isn't quite over yet. Die! 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 Oh! 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 Ah! Help me! Help! Help me! Help! Mayday! Mayday! Good luck, Gunblade! Gunblade, this is Tower. Authorized takeoff.